Good morning, students. Today we will discuss chapter number 5, factors and multiples, part 2. In the first part, we have already discussed about factors, multiples, prime numbers, twin primes and composite numbers. In this module, we will discuss prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Let us discuss with an example. Okay, 30. So we have to find out all the factors of 30. Huh? 1 is the factor of every number. Is it or not? Then 2, then 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These all are the factors of 30. So we need to factorize this 30. How to factorize? We have to find out the prime factors. What we are discussing now? Prime factorization. So we have to find out, we have to factorize this 30. So to factorize this 30, we need to find out the prime factors from the factors. So you already learned what is prime factor. Is it or not? The factors having only the numbers having only two factors are called what? Prime factors. So here in this one we can see one is neither prime nor composite. So see the second number 2. 2 is a prime number. Is it or not? So write it down. 2 is a prime number having only two factors. 3 the same way having only two factors into 3. And another prime factor. This is a prime number, right? Into 5. Any more numbers? No, 6 is not a prime number. And 10, 15, 30. These all other numbers are not a prime number. Only 3 numbers are there with the prime number, which are that 2, 3 and 5. Okay, now just multiply and see. All these prime numbers we need to multiply and see how much we will get. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 6 into 5 is equal to how much? 30. So this is prime factorization. In this way we have to factorize the number. Okay. So this is also called what? Listing method. Now we will discuss about factor tree method and the division method. Okay, this is another method to find out the prime factors of a particular number. For example, 72. Let's take 72. 72. We have to find out the prime factors of this 72. How to find out the prime factors of 72? You see that this is factor tree method. Okay, so first of all we have to divide this 72. 72 by what? Which number we have to divide? We have to take a least prime number. Which is the least prime number? 2. Either we have to take 2 or we have to take 3, then 5, 7, 11 in this way. Okay. So if this is an even number, so we can exactly divide it by 2, the least prime number. Okay. If it is not possible by 2, what we have to take? The next prime number, which is that 3. If it is not possible by 3, then what to do? 5, 7, 11 in this way. Okay. So here 72 we can exactly divide by 2 because it is an even number. So 72 divided by 2. 72 divided by 2. How much? 36. Right? 36. Clear? So next we have got 72 divided by 2 is equal to 36. Next we have to divide this number. So this is also an even number. So we can take 2. 2 into how much? 18. Is it or not? 18 is equal to how much? 36. And this is also an even number. The same way we can take it 2. 2 into how much? 9. 9 we can take. 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Otherwise 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. In this way. Clear? Now this is not an even number. This is an odd number. 9 is an odd number. So we are not able to divide it by 2. So what we have to do? Next we have to take the another prime number, the second smallest prime number, which is that 3. Okay, by 3 we can exactly divide this 9. So we have to take 3 into 3. Okay, so this is completed here. Now we have to write and multiply these numbers. Which are the numbers we have to take? 2 into 2 into 2 into, then how many 3's are there? 3 into 3. So these all the prime numbers we need to, prime factors we need to multiply. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 24 into 3 is equal to 72. Is equal to how much? 72. So now we have factorized this 72. These are the prime factors of 72. Understand? Now moving to the next point. What? Division method. Division method. Division method is another method to find out the prime factors. See that. For example, number 36. We need to find out. We need to factorize this 36 by using division method. Okay. So let us see how to do this. In division method, we have to arrange the number in this way. Okay, the same way the first the factor tree method we have done. No? The same way we have to do this also. We have to take the least prime number as it is an even number. So we have to take the least prime number. Which is the least prime number? 2. Okay, so 2. 36 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 80. Is it or not? 80. Then next, this is also an even number. So take 2. 18 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 9. And 9 is not an even number, it is an odd number. So by 2 we are not able to do. So take 3, the next one. 3. 3's are 9. Okay. Next is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So these all are the prime factors of 36. Now we have to list this. Okay. So 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Just multiply and see. 2 2's are 4. 4 3's are 12. 12 3's are 36. Understood? In this way we have to do. This is the division method is so easy. Moving to the next question, next exercise. HCF by prime factorization method. Okay, let us discuss one question. 24 and 32 by prime factorization method. Okay, see, first of all we need to, some steps are there. First of all, find the prime factorization of the given number. So we need to find out the prime factorization of this 24 and 32. So first we will do that. Okay, 24 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Next, find another prime factorization of 32. Okay. 32 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 16. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2's are there, right? So 32 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Now the first step is completed. What? We have found that prime factorization of the given number. The second step is take all common factors. We have to take all common factors among these. So which is all the common factors? These all are the common factors, right? 1 here. There is no more common factor, right? Okay, only 3. 3 common factors are there. So the second step is completed, and the third step is multiply all common factors. Only we need to multiply the common factors. 2 into, what is the next one? 2 into the last one, 2. Okay. Now we need to multiply this. That will be the HCF of 24 and 32. Okay. Now multiply this. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 2s are 8. So the HCF of 24 and 32 is equal to how much? 8. In this way, we need to find out the HCF by using prime factorization. Okay. Next is HCF by long division method. How to find out the HCF by long division method? Here we are using just like a division, how we are doing, like that only. Okay. But some steps we have to follow. So consider these two numbers, 135 and 165. We need to find out the HCF of this given number. Okay. First of all, we have to arrange the numbers in this way. How we are doing the division? The same way. So the same way. Okay. The first step is divide the greater number by the smaller number. So first we have to divide this greater number by the smaller number. Okay. So after that, the second point is take a remainder as divisor and the divisor as dividend. How it is? Let us see. Here we are going to divide this. Okay, 165 divided by 35. How many times it goes? One time. Okay, so 135 into 1 is equal to how much? 135. Subtract it. How much will get? A 0, and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Then here it is 0. 30 we have got, right? Now this 30 will become the divisor. Okay, the 30 will become the divisor, and the first divisor will be the dividend. So take this 135 as the dividend. Clear? Okay. Continue the process. Now 30 into how much is equal to 135, or near about 135. So it will go 4 times. 3 4s are 30 into 4s are 120. Is it or not? Now subtract it. How much? 5. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then 0. Here we have got to 15. Okay. Now 15 make us divisor, and the previous divisor will become the dividend. 30. In this way. Okay. So continue the process till getting 0. 15 into how much? 2 is equal to how much? 30. So 0 0. Till getting 0, we need to continue this process. Okay. Then what will be the HCF? Automatically, normally you will think the quotient. No, this is the quotient is not the HCF. The last divisor will be the HCF. So 15. So HCF of how much? 135 and 165 is equal to how much? The last divisor is 15. Clear? Okay. Least common multiple by prime factorization method. Okay. So LCM. Consider these two numbers. How to find out the LCM of 16 and 24 by using prime factorization method. First of all, the same way how we have done the HCF, we have to factorize these two numbers. 16 and 24 we have to factorize. The factorization of 16. First of all, we need to find out the prime factors. 2 into 8 is equal to 16, or 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Then 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, and 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So the prime factorization of 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next number is 24. Factorize this number 24. 24 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 12. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 24 is equal to, how many 2's are there? 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So these are the prime factorization of 16 and 24. Now what is the next step? We have to group the numbers. We have to group the numbers. This is one group, second group and third group. No more group is there, right? So among this group, 1 we have to take. That means 2. Then we have to find the product. 2 into 2 into 2. Now what we have to do? We have to take the rest of the numbers, rest of the prime factors also. So take this 2 into 2 and 3. Now we have to find out the product of this number. Okay. 2 into 2 is equal to how much? 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 16 into 3 is equal to how much? 48. Right? 48. So we can say that the LCM of 16 and 24 is equal to how much? 48. This is also very easy. Nothing is there. We have to factorize the given number by using the division method. Then multiply all the groups and other prime factors also. Okay. Okay. LCM by division method. Okay, it is also very easy. We have to consider 16, 28 and 32. Find out the LCM of this given number by using common division method. So these three numbers we have to write together in this way. 16, 28 and 32 we have to consider together. Okay. Now what we have to do, the first step, divide by the smallest prime number which divides at least 2 of the given number. So divide with a prime number, at least it should be at least we must divide this with at least 2 numbers. So we can divide all these numbers because all these numbers are even numbers, right? So we can consider the least prime number, which is that 2. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 8. Okay. Now see, 28 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 14. Next is 32 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 16. Clear? The same way, continue the process. Okay, now we can take it 2. 4 2's are 8. Then how much? 7. 7 2's are 14. Next is 8. 8 2's are 16. Right? Again we can do with this 2. 4 divided by 2 is equal to how much? 2. 7 we are not able to divide by 2. So what we have to write? 7 we have to write down. Okay. Then 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. Then continue the process in this way. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And 7 we have to write down. Then here also 2. Again we have to consider what? Either we can stop here, otherwise we have to continue till getting 1. That means 2, here it is 7, here it is 1, right? Next is the last one. We can stop it, but we will do here 7, 1, 1 till getting 1. Okay? So this is completed. Now we have got this much prime factors. Now we need to multiply all these numbers. All these prime factors we need to multiply. So what are that? How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 7. How much we will get? We will get the LCM of 16 28 and 32 is equal to how much? We need to multiply this. We will get near about 224 is equal to 224. How to multiply this? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 2 is equal to 32, 32 into 7 is equal to how much? 2 7s are 14, then 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. See, 224. Okay, so here also you have to write the LCM of 16, 28 and 32 is equal to how much? 224. This is LCM by division method. We can consider more than 3 numbers also in this method. Okay, so I hope all of you understood what is how to find out the LCM, HCF and the prime factorization. Okay, now I will give you some homework. You try to do that. So the homework is exercise number 21 and 22. Exercise number 21 and 22 in your rough copy. Okay, thank you very much.